Okay. Ngayon lang siya nag-start ng ganyan eh. Okay. So, heart rate, 83 BPM. What's SpO2? Oops. Stress, 55. Hi guys! Ako noon nga mag-vlog. Let's open this parcel. So, nagka-interest akong bumili nito kasi dahil dun sa RMHC namin, we have to,
sabihin mo ano yung RMHC?
RMHC is Ronald McDonald House Charities. So, we try to collect donations from anyone who wants to donate, who's willing to donate or share something when they have extra. So it involves exercising, or running, any movement will do. So to show that we are really serious about what we're doing for these children. So and their families. So when I was doing this, I got encouraged to walk, and while doing that, it's encouraging me to do more walks, and not just walks, it's for my own health too. And it also meant that I can also bond with my family because my 3 boys, my musketeers like to. So now they're joining me on all these walks. So also one way is to
Ano yung para sa mga housing yun, di ba? Para magkaroon ng bahay yung mga
that collection will help, like for example, yung child is very sickly and it needs to be in a hospital away from the house, from their home. So it involves families then will have to move out with the sick child. So the RMHC will accommodate a place for this family of the child so they can still be together, stay together. So the family can still watch over their sickly child.
Okay, so yan ang dahilan bakit ka bumili ng
No, but doing the walks that I do for this charity, so na-encourage ako na mag-exercise na. Tuloy-tuloy na to.
Tuloy-tuloy na. Yan,
Tuloy-tuloy
nice.
na. So now,
so yan yung pang-exercise.
yeah. Yung pang-exercise. So I bought one for me and my husband kasi gusto ko, syempre, matchy. Laging match. So, open na natin. Dumating na to. Kaninang umaga, yeah. Tapos, I ordered this last week pa. So, very excited to do this. This is my first purchase. Mas maraming purchase si Daddy sa...
Huwag mo sabihin, mabuko tayo.
Daddy has more purchase, right, kuya ko?
Yes.
Yes. So, this is the first watch. This is, yeah. Iba yung, Daddy, yung binilhan ko dun sa nakita mo. So, now, this is the second watch. Wristwatch. But I think we'll need, ooh, look at that.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Bakit magkaiba? Ano yan sa likod? Magpareho lang likod niyan? Oh. Magkaiba.
We'll see. Sports watch.
Alright,
Okay.
buksan mo para malaman natin kung ano yung mga features niyan, anong mga
So, first watch.
anong kakaiba sa watch na yan.
Oop.
Oh.
Oh. So that's the watch. And dumi. Kailangan mag-vacuum.
So, sports watch.
This is a sports watch. That's the first one. Oh, I think this is mine. Kasi I
Ilagay mo
chose...
sa sa puti na para mas kita nila yung yun no.
Ah, okay.
Yan,
Ito.
ilagay mo lang.
Puti yung lalagyan. So,
Yan, ipatong mo siya sa ibabaw para mas kita. Tanggalin mo yung lagayan. Yan, ganyan. Oh, so ganyan.
so yan siya.
May charger.
So, charge yan. So, this is the second watch. And then, it includes this one.
So ano yan? Smartwatch yan. Pwede yung cellphone.
Yep, it's a smartwatch.
Cellphone pala yan.
Ooh, this is yours, Daddy.
Parang pareho lang yan.
Yeah. But yours kasi you chose... Ay, bakit ganun?
Oh.
Ah,
Pareho
yeah.
lang.
Kasi you chose this one. Yung parang metal something.
So ipapalit.
Oo, pwede mo siya ipalit.
Eh,
Yan.
ba't sa'yo walang pamalit?
Eh, yun na nakalagay doon, di ba?
Eh, ganun.
Ito lang yung may palit. May extra. So,
Hindi ko na muna yan papalitan para
hindi,
para
you have
pareho
to.
tayo
You
ng
have to. Kasi magkakapareho tayo.
Did you call me?
No. It's alright. So, this is the wristwatch.
So,
Kasi-
yan ang itsura niya mga kanoipi. Yan, ganyan.
Ang ganda.
Buksan mo na para kasi sigurado yan gagana na yan eh.
So, yung kay Daddy may extra, yung sa akin wala. Kasi nga, ito nga yung
Lagi niya akong binibigyan ng extra.
ng basta yan. May extra.
Lahat ng bagay, binibigyan niya ako ng extra.
Ayaw mo yun. Ay. And it also
Kanya niya ako
includes
kamahal
the
mga kanoipi.
manual.
Tsura.
So now, sana naka-charge na to, no? Bago nila,
Buksan mo para malaman natin kung naka-charge yan kasi mostly yung mga nabili natin na items, mga fully charged eh.
Okay. So now, una natin buksan yung sa atin. Yung sa akin. So, this is the screen. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, asan yung power niyan?
Ito yung power.
Okay, turn on mo. Para malaman natin kung gagana. Hindi gumana.
Oh.
Ayun, gumana. Gumana pala.
Nag-vibrate.
Ooh, nice.
English. Scan to download app or pair.
So di na siya kailangan na SIM card kasi i-pair na lang siya sa sa cellphone. Parang ganun.
Oh,
Kuya, look at your mom's watch. You like that?
Oh.
If you like it, I will buy you one. And Kiko too.
I'm fine.
And this
That's
is...
like a phone already.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You don't have to bring your phone.
Where'd you get it from?
I saw it. I researched it.
Problem is you cannot be able to play games, I think, because it's
Yeah.
only a watch.
Yeah, of course.
But it's only for calling and
I bet you can run Doom on that.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think you guys know
So,
what
wait.
Doom is.
What is this?
What is that?
So I have to pair it with the phone, Daddy. So
Right.
I will need the phone.
So ngayon mga kanoipi, i-prepare muna namin yung yung watch niya dito sa phone niya para magamit niya na. Tapos papakita namin sa inyo kung paano siya
This is GPS
mag-function.
ready also. Sa mata niyan. So, wear the band tightly and hold still with the screen facing up. Yeah, then I think this will function more if suot siya. Kasi may sense siya. Ayaw. Lumusot. Okay. So, okay, let's see. Okay, now it's strapped.
Put him in the perfect position.
What is it measuring? I'm not sure.
Ini-measure niya kung gaano kalaki yung kamay mo.
Well, I think that's too.
He shoots 0.9.
Or baka minisure niya yung height mo.
And he goes to flip 5 high. And he's even faster. Yeah.
How much else?
Okay, come over here.
Okay.
You want to
Ngayon
see
lang
how
siya
much-
nag-start ng ganyan eh.
Are you looking at your dad?
Okay. So, heart rate, 83 BPM. What's SpO2? Oops.
Or Greg?
Stress, 55. Retest. Okay, other test. Let's see.
Stressed ka daw.
Hmm.
Wala ka daw pera. Inubos mo na daw
So,
yung pera mo.
now, let's see. Wait, daddy. Hindi ko makita. Masakit sa mata. Ay, hindi siya natatak basta-basta. So, let's try, what's this? Display setting. Ayun, vibration. Alisin ko to. Ay, strong pala. Kaya pala eh. Ang sakit sa ulo eh. Phone audio. Ringtone volume. Okay. Yung pala yun, setting. Sound and vibration. Do not disturb. So, theater mode ba? Power saving. May ganon-ganon. Oh. Sports recognition. So, this is the setting pala. Yung pala yun. Oh, QR code. Ito yata yung hinahanap na QR code. Let's try that. This is my QR code. So, let's go to setting. Let's go to the time. Kasi, importante yung time. Sync the app. What app?
Yeah, but is it strong?
Alisin natin yan. So, date.
Tanggalin mo yung 24 hour.
So, date is 2026.
Faster.
Ano ngayon? March
March.
17. Aray ko sakit sa kamay
I choose no help. That's what people mostly do.
Okay. So, time is, what time is it?
PM. Ilagay mo sa 12 hours lang. Pag 24 hours. Mag ano yan. Military time yan.
Oo.
So, a lot really.
So, what time is it?
Okay boys, what's the time? Ano pa sa anak?
8:54.
8:54. Gabing-gabi na. Wala pang
So,
dinner.
Like in mid-game. The large gummies.
8:54, 8:55 na lang yan. Okay.
No. Better
Okay, that's
later.
set up
12 hour.
now.
12 hour.
Wala namang nakalagay na 12 hour.
I-click mo yung 24 hour. Malamang may 12 hour yan.
Wala.
Pindutin mo ulit para matanggal yan.
So, yan.
Yan na yan. Yan na yata
yun na yun.
Tapos,
Ayan. Ay, parang yan ang pinakang first ano niya, you know? Paano kaya gagawin yung... So,
Yan,
it's
may oras
yeah. So, wala pa tayong record dito. So, what is this? So, marami pa tayong kailangang alamin about this. Call, contacts, SOS. Call switch is not enabled. Call siren, slide to call. So many settings needs to be done. What's this? Rhythm, duration, breathing.
So yan, ganyan yung mga ano niya, mga kanoype. Marami siyang parang tawag
Parang
niya.
phone na rin
Apps.
talaga eh, no?
Oo.
Unable to get weather data, connect to the app and try again. So we really need the app.
So, tapusin na muna natin dito yung video na yan kasi wala pa tayong dinner.
Sige, sige. Okay.
Paalam ka na.
Paalam muna, mga kanoypi, para aralin ko muna to, then update ko kayo kung ano na.
Mag-aaral muna siya kasi ako yung nagugutom na.
Sige, so,
Bueno mga kanoype, hanggang dyan na lang muna. Update na lang namin kayo kung ano yung... Baka gusto nyo rin bumili sa mga ganito. Tanungin mo na lang. I-comment nyo na lang sa comment section kung saan niya nabili. Kasi ako hindi ko alam kung saan niya binili to. Bye muna mga kanoype. Hanggang sa muli, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-like ang ating video, i-click ang ating notification bell, at mag-comment kayo mga kanoype para alam natin kung saan nakarating ang ating video, no?